Happy morning, dear friends. Here's yours, Dr. Rajanta. Welcome to Demystify with Ajay. Dear learners, supporters, and well-wishers, from the bottom of my heart, thank you for walking alongside me on this incredible journey. Every like, comments, share, and word of encouragement has been a guide of motivation. And I truly wouldn't have made it without your support. When I released the first episode of the GenAI series, I was overwhelmed with a positive response. But shortly after, a few unexpected challenges cropped up, as life often does. Rather than I pass our momentum, I decided to pivot and launch my SQL series to ensure that your learning never stops. And today is no ordinary day. I'm thrilled to share not one but three special milestones. Yes, dear friends, I have published my 500th video. Next, I'm celebrating my 44th birthday, and I'm honored to mark 22 years of marriage with my life partner. These milestones are more than numbers. They are reminders of time, effort, love, and unshakable bond between learning and life. And to celebrate this meaningful day, I have something special just for you, the learners who have stood by me, grown with me, and continue to dream big. As part of 100 days generative AI challenges, which features 20 hands-on tasks, I am launching a special giveaway, a 3-month internship opportunity for sincere beginners who actively engage and complete the challenge through a learn by doing approach. And for those who truly shine, placement support to help you take that next career leap in the world of AI. This is not just about watching videos. It's about building real world skills, getting your hands dirty, experimenting, failing, learning, and rising again. Because that's what it takes to grow in this field. And I want to be right there with you. Dear friends, this journey, 500 videos, deep and still going strong, wouldn't be possible without you. Your encouragement fuels me purpose. Your feedback shapes the quality of every piece of content I create. And your belief in lifelong learning keeps me grounded and inspired. Let's continue this path of learning together, not just as a mentor, but as fellow explorer in this exciting world of AI, technology, and growth. Here's to many more videos, many more milestones, and most importantly, many more breakthroughs for you, the learner. Let's keep exploring and keep building the world of tech together. Happy learning, dear friends.